Hi guys, it's Ilene here, and today I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul. I would like to show you some of my exciting finds that I found this week at Dollar Tree, and I would like to share them with you. I plan on doing this weekly, so please, if you like this video, please subscribe, please hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my future uploads. So, today, I'm here to show you my favorite item of the week that I found were these stones for the garden. These stones are so cute. They have little owls. They're all slightly different. I picked up 3 of them. This one says, "Bless this garden." This one says, "Welcome, friends." And this one says, "Welcome to my garden." I love flowers and I cannot wait to plant them and put these in my garden to jazz it up. And also for the garden, I was super excited to find a flag to get in the theme and mode that Memorial Day is coming. So is July 4th. So I thought this would be a great flag to add to the garden. I also found for July 4th theme and Memorial Day as well were these festive star lights. These are LED lights with a clear bulb inside them, and they are requiring 2 AA batteries and are 3 feet long. So I couldn't pass up on this for just $1. These will be perfect. And then, going along with the summer theme, it is always hot, and I had to just grab one of these little fans that go around your neck to keep me cool in the summertime. In the summertime, in the car a lot, doing lots of things, you want to keep your car nice and fresh. I found these amazing name brand air fresheners, these Ozium air fresheners, as well as the Glade ones that go in the vent of your car. And these ones are a Hawaiian breeze. So I can't wait to test these out. My extremely favorite find, though I have to admit, were these plastic mason jar drinks with a straw. These are covered mason jars made of plastic with a spot for this straw it comes with. These are Aladdin brand. I looked for these online at Walmart. They go for over $8. So they only had 2 left in my Dollar Tree. I picked up 2, and these are going to be perfect. I also did find this other type of cup with a covered lid. It's not a mason jar cup, but I thought this was really cute as well to use for drinks either in the summer, or I have a little DIY in mind that I might do with this cup. So we'll see for that. The next crafting type of thing for DIYs that I found were these acrylic gems. I love these acrylic gems. I have not found these gems in a really long time in clear in my Dollar Tree. So I picked up myself 4 packs of these gems, and I'm going to use these for some project in the very near future. In that same row, they had these really cute boxed framed sayings, and it looks like a faux wood in the background here, and this one says "Be You." They had a few different varieties and a few different colors, and I did take a picture for you guys to see, but I got this one because it goes with the theme of my decor, and it's really nice. It has the faux wood look. It's stapled on real nice in the back, and it's a very strong piece of faux wood. This is a great little thing to pick up for $1. I also did find these little flip top containers. I thought these would be helpful to store my seasonings in, or flour. You could store sugar in these. You could store beans. You could store anything you really want in these things. And I thought this was great. They came in little packs, 3 for $1. They had lids in other colors as well. So in the beauty area, I was also very successful. I found these hair colors. These are single-use hair colors, and I thought these would be really fun for spring and summer. Just for the day, you comb them in and you wash them out. And I got this one in a light purple, and I'm not sure if this will really show up on my hair. This one in a very bright purple, and I also got a hot pink. Can't wait to test these out. These will be fun. And I also found a very cute owl lotion, and it's in purple, so I had to have this, and I don't know what it smells like yet, but I'll give you some feedback on my Instagram, so check that out. So the last things that I got were for crafting. I found this very beautiful contact paper. This is in black and white. It has roses. It's so beautiful, and I really plan to use this in a DIY for this little shelf I got in the corner of my bedroom. It is all white, and the shelves on the bottom I thought would look really cute in the black and the white floral design, and maybe even the walls just to glam it up a little bit. In the glamming up department, I also found these stickers. I thought these stickers were so adorable, and I kind of just planned to put them on my laptop just to glam that up, and that was all I planned with that. And last but not least was my favorite part in the crafting area. I found this coloring book. This is a grown-up coloring book. This has an original sticker price of $5.38. It has the most beautiful pictures of birds in here to doodle on when you're relaxing, trying to de-stress. This was a great find for $1. So that really sums up my Dollar Tree haul for this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit that bell icon and subscribe for future videos that I plan to get out to you by next week, if not sooner. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.